this is Manoj from My Ideas for Profit, and I'm presenting a small video here. Today is the 5th of January. This was the action on the 4th of January on the Banknifty. We had a downtrending day yesterday, and once we reached the maximum 100% of the ATR on the Banknifty, we saw a small reversal happening on this candle. Now what happened, this is a 30-minute chart of the Banknifty, and this is the 11:45 chart, 11 hours 45 minutes, that's somewhere just before the noon, and we saw a sharp action on the price, and we saw 200,000 delta market orders on the sell side reported on this candle. And what we saw here was the point of control was way higher at 43,313, but there was a high transaction of 87,000 quantity that was traded on the short side, that was sold in one big chunk in somewhere around this level, which was 43,131, and the market began to find some kind of support at this level because it had touched its daily ATR, and there were some buyers who stepped in at that point, and we saw that the market started to creep up. Now once the market crept up and it crossed this level, there was quite a chance that since all the sellers who had sold here would need to cover back their position, and we could see some short covering in the market by these sellers who would panic and begin to sell, begin to cover their positions on all the short sales that they had made. So if you see, the market convincingly rose. This is where when I entered here, and what happened was after it gave me 100 points, I booked a part of my profits here, and it was a good move because subsequently the price action took it back to the point where all the shorts had been initiated. This point of once this huge point was crossed, the resistance turned into support, and this is where this level acted as a support. These are the point of controls for these candles, and these are the maximum trades that happened at this price level because all the short sellers were covering at this level. So there was a huge volume that was created at this level, and this is where the market went back up again, and I had placed my target at 43,313, but that was the next point of control, which was lying virgin and not touched. So that was my initial target, but in hindsight I tried to book just before the target is reached, and I booked out my entire quantity somewhere around just 10 points shy of the 43,300 level, exactly the point where I booked, and then the market fell. Now to illustrate how this trade was taken, I run a Telegram channel, and my Telegram channel is by the name of Market Ideas Premium, and if you see that somewhere around 1240, I mentioned, looking at this price action, I mentioned in my group, premium group, that Banknifty, there are signs of a small pullback in Banknifty that could take us to 43,310. The crucial point is 43,135. As long as we stay above that for some time, we should head to 43,310. And exactly that's what happened in the 20 minutes time that I told you. I exited half my positions with 100-point gain, and subsequently at about 13:33, in about half an hour time, the Banknifty prices came back to touch the point of control, and this is where I commented that it made complete sense to book half of the value, and I suggested aggressive traders that they can add back that half position and go long again, and that the guys with safe point of view should maintain their trade and just trail their stop losses to cost. And finally we did reach our target at about 1346, where I mentioned that we are approaching our target, and once we took our profits, and that was it. So this was a beautiful trade that came out of reading what the order flow gave us signals. The delta charts and the order flow gave us signals as to what could happen, and a small short covering bounce could give me a profit of 170 to 180 points with multiple lots, and that was a good trade for the day, guys. So if you're interested, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel, as I keep on dishing out many videos on these trades that I take and how I succeed using the order flow and the volume profile as my key intraday tools, while I trade. You can also look to join my Telegram channel. I will address the link below in the description, and you can add onto the Telegram channel. We have a free channel and a premium channel. You can join the free channel, take a few days looking at the channel, and then if you find value in what information I pass, you can always climb and subscribe to the premium channel. The information to access the premium channel is provided in the free channel. Look, I hope you liked the video. This is a quick video, and hopefully I shall keep coming up with fresh new videos of this kind. Do subscribe to the channel so that you get notified. Do press the bell icon so that you get notified when I publish the next video. Thank you for giving me time and watching this video. Thank you.